Hey guys, welcome again back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be making a remedy that will take away years from your age, that will make it to always look sweet 16 always every day. So in case you are new, you have not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. So this remedy will take away years from your age. The ingredients are very simple, very natural. They are packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, important vitamins that will make sure your skin is looking very supple and young looking always. This will take away so many years from your age and make sure your skin is always glowing and glowing and glowing. So you want to know the other ingredients to add to your tomato. You want to know how to use it for better results. Just keep watching. So do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like and share this video to everyone. So let's go straight into the making this remedy that will make sure you achieve a younger looking skin. Look sweet 16 always, every day. So to have a baby face, to look sweet 16, to always look everyday young, the first ingredient you have to get is rice powder. Okay, so this you can make use of a cooked rice, or you can just make use of your rice grain at home, like this one. Use your rice grain, turn it into a rice powder like this, and use it. Or if you cannot make use of rice powder, you can just boil your rice grain like this. Boil it. When it's soft, you can just mash it or you blend it into a thick paste. They are both very effective. So rice is so very important because it contains anti-aging properties that will help to delay the aging process of your skin, delay your skin from aging so fast. Contains brightening effect as well because it will just brighten up a dull looking skin. Rice is very effective and very important in this remedy. Helps to treat blemishes, fine lines and pimples. Okay, so this will help to exfoliate your skin, to remove dead skin cells from your skin that makes your skin to appear so dull and old looking. So this is the first ingredient. So what you have to do is to get a clean bowl like this. And I'm going to measure in 2 tablespoons, and this is in case you want to apply it only on your face and neck. But if you want to apply it all over your body, you just have to increase the quantity of your rice powder with other ingredients. Okay, so 2 tablespoons is just very okay. So the next we have here is tomato, and tomato is so very important for your skin, because it will help to ensure your skin is looking its best. So tomato here is so very important in this remedy because it's packed with antioxidants, lycopene, which helps to take care of your skin, protects your skin against free radicals, gets rid of wrinkles and fine lines, remove dark spots, blemishes, and help to unify your complexion so well. So this is so important to have, okay, to add into this remedy. So what we are going to do, because yes, I won't be blending it because it's just only this tomato. So what I have to do is to use my grater to grate it into this rice powder. And this method is just very good for those that don't have a blender, okay? So you have to grate it into this. So after grating it into the rice powder, you have to mix it very well. Okay, so the next ingredient I'll be adding here is rose water. And rose water is so very important because it will help so much to balance your skin in case you have a dry skin or if you have an oily skin. This will help to just balance the pH level of your skin, to get rid of excessive oil and also to moisturize a very dry skin. So when your skin is so dry, your body will look old looking. Okay, it will appear so old And this is very important because it's filled with so many vitamins, especially vitamin C, which will help to keep your skin looking so youthful, so bright, so radiant, and so glowing. So this is so very important in this remedy, rose water. Okay, so what you have to do, yes, addition of this is just not really on the measurements. You have to be adding it little by little until it forms the consistency you need. If you add it, you mix it up, add and mix. So these are just very simple to make. They are just ingredients you have at home. But in case you don't have rose water, you can just add lemon juice. Okay, because lemon juice is actually so very good in case you have an aging skin, or if you want to maintain your youthfulness. It's going to make your skin to look so bright looking and young looking as well. So the consistency of this is just very okay. It's not so thick and not so watery. So what I'll do next, I'll just go ahead and apply it on my face. Yes, I'll be showing you how to properly use it for best results. Okay, so before you apply this on your face, just make sure you wash your face, get rid of all makeups, and then use a brush, or you can use your hands to apply it. Now I'm going to apply it only on my face and my neck. If you want to apply it all over your body, as I said earlier, you just need to double the ingredients, so that the quantity will be much enough to go around your body. Then just go ahead and apply it everywhere like this. Okay, so you can just decide to coat more of the remedy. Okay, if you want to make it smush, just coat more of the remedy. So what you have to do is to make sure you remove, so always make sure you remove those ones underneath your eye. Okay, do not apply underneath your eye and your brow as well, because rice flour or rice powder will get rid of the hairs. Okay, you have to ensure you don't apply on this. So when you apply it, guys, you also have to apply it on your neck as well, so that your body will be uniform, to ensure you have no neck wrinkles. So your skin will just look very supple and very glowing, and no wrinkles and fine lines. So you have to leave it on after applying it for 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. That is what I normally do. So this treatment is just for 3 times weekly, or you can apply it 2 times weekly. If you want to apply it every day, it's also very okay. So the remaining one, you can just store it in the refrigerator to use it next time, and very, very important for you. So I'll just wait for some time to get dry, then I'll go rinse it off using just a lukewarm water. So after that, you have to follow on with a light moisturizer. If you don't have a specific moisturizer, you can just go ahead and apply vitamin E. Okay, that is to help to seal in moisture and to avoid drying out of your skin. So that is all for now. Apply it 3 times weekly, 2 times weekly, and your skin will just be glowing always. You look everyday young, you look sweet 16 always. So that is all for now. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. In case you have not subscribed yet to my channel, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell as well so you get notified when I upload videos. I will see you in my next video.